Okay, good morning and very warm welcome to our CIVIT Technology Day. This is the next in the series of such events we try to organize at CIVIT. And for each Technology Day we try to have a focus. And the focus of today's event is about virtual reality and VR walkthrough. So we wanted to, the previous one was about the art and tech of 360 video. Now we go more toward the visual experience. And we like to use this snow picture as a metaphor of the individual experience of everyone going through the use of new immersive technologies. So welcome once again. Thank you for coming in this cold day. I hope it will be worth attending the event. This is the program. We are waiting for the dean to come and welcome you. He has to open another event, so we are quite dynamic university with a few parallel high quality events running. So he should be here anytime soon. Then we have several interesting presentations which are going to be presented here. The first one is by Markus Magnor for Technical University of Braunschweig, Germany. He came all the way from Germany to share his experience and vision about these technologies. Then I'll present briefly the state of CIVIT, which we call CIVIT 2.0, because of the new installations, because of the new premises. And actually one occasion of this event is to to celebrate the new premises which we moved to this summer. Of course, setting a center like an infrastructure unit is a long-term task. So it is not complete yet, but it is in the form to be operational, and you are all welcome to check the premises, the equipment, and the services we are offering. Next presentation is going to be by Urho Konturi, the CEO of Vario. This is a startup company from Finland developing an advanced headset, VR headset, where we call their presentation resolution revolution because they are able to maintain the resolution depending on where the person is looking. More from Urho. However, maybe because of the weather, because they are coming from Helsinki, they are not here yet. So we hope they will find their way. Anyway, we can at least reshuffle the presentations and continue before lunch with the presentation by Richard Guilfoyle from Omnifinity Sweden. This is the company which delivered the so exciting omnidirectional treadmill, which we will have also the opportunity to try and experience in the demo session. We have Luke Noonan from Rust. This is a development company dealing with all possible VR experiences, and he's going to share his lessons from the trenches. The speakers are invited to a panel after all, so we can have a more informal discussion. So I'm going to ask few maybe easy, maybe provoking questions, like to get a common understanding and to share opinion about the trends and the current state of these technologies. We are running a set of demos, which will start after the panel. The omnidirectional treadmill by Omnifinity will be demonstrated. Hopefully, the Vario guys will come and show their so-called bionic display. The CIVIT equipment, like the current LiDAR we got, will be demonstrated, and in terms of data, in terms of application of this data. We have a quite interesting mobile robot with a mounted gimbal on top of it. light field display will be also demonstrated, this time with our own results of processing of reconstruction of light fields. Also, we have another prototype developed at the center, what we call transparent 3D head-up display, which will be also on display during the demo session. For the omnidirectional treadmill and for the Vario headset, we ask people to book times, because this is like individual experience. The times are working as scheduled for the omnidirectional treadmill. So if you have booked your personal time for trying, for testing the device, you can follow it as originally scheduled. Unfortunately, the Vario guys are not here yet, so we cannot demonstrate their display. They have to bring their own prototype, which also we haven't seen. So the demo of their display will be somehow rescheduled. So anyway, we'll try to serve you best in all aspects of the day. We had to use this room, which is quite small, because of its proximity to the lab. So we didn't want to ask you to walk through all university buildings. So there was quite high interest to the event. There are still places inside, so if there are people outside, they are welcome to join the presentations. The event is also streamed over YouTube. So if you go actually to the web page, which is TUTFI CIVIT /index.php and then VR throughout, you will find you will find the link to the YouTube stream. So you can also share this information with your colleagues who are not able to come physically for the event. Yeah, this was what I had to share. So Mika promised to be here, so let's here. Okay, okay, you have the floor.
Yeah,
Sorry
thanks.
I was looking at the door.
Yeah, I noticed that you were kind of not seeing me very much here in the front. So welcome all. My name is Mika Grundström. I'm the Dean for the Faculty of Computing and Electrical Engineering. And Atanas forbid me to use any slides. And usually my speeches are long and tormenting. So I tried to make a short one this time, and let's see how I'll manage to do this address this morning. So it's a pleasure to welcome to you to this Technology Day of CIVIT. This is also stands for the grand reopening of the CIVIT, as we have now shaped the new premises for the infrastructure, which are next to us, and you heard already a lot what is happening there by the presentation of Atanas. And I think it's important as for the research community, it comes as what we can offer in a very tangible terms to the research community and partners alike. So CIVIT is a milestone. It is a great achievement of a long-standing research work of Tampere University of Technology. It has its roots in signal processing and its applications in image, video, and multimedia, which is now turning into the long research topic of 3D in different forms, including the augmented and virtual reality. And that stretches to the human factors and even to gamification in the current research agenda that we have for the faculty. The strong and internationally recognized research has impacted the developments of the new technologies and moreover created a vivid and professional network of experts contributing to the society and economic growth of the region at large. So why is it this important now? Why is it now that we actually talk very much about the research infrastructure? So the research infrastructure is the framework that allows you to do certain things. And for us, of course, it is a tool, and that should be the tool that attracts the research and the researchers alike. So what we like to do is we like to do this together with the partners and cooperators, academia, universities, internationally across the world. Alike, we like to do this with the industry members and welcoming those to use and join the developments to create something new. So there are many actors in play, and all of those actors, I think, can contribute and help creating the new things that are becoming then visible in few years out of this research. The research infrastructure investment has been done together with the help of the Academy of Finland, initially contributing €1 million to developments, and then the Tampere University of Technology putting another 1 million, resulting in €2 million investment in total. And as the technology development is so fast, of course, we need to take care as the faculty level that our investment and this infrastructure keeps up to the shape. So we have continued to invest in the reshaping and redoing equipment for now and few years to come. So we try to really keep it fresh and usable to the research and the research communities. So, and it's also notable that this is also the Academy of Finland Finnish research infrastructure part. So this is really a part that is open to the academia and different universities alike. So I thank Atanas, Robert, Olli, probably they are on the other room doing the demos, and the team putting this together. I think it has been great effort, and I'll expect to see good things come out of that. And of course, I'd like to thank Academy of Finland and Tampere University of Technology investing in this. For our faculty is one of the core areas that we have identified in the strategic profiling that we did last year. And now we are kind of through this kind of infrastructure putting that into the real implementation. So I wish you all informative, thought-provoking, impactful day. Thank you.